In today's artwork tutorial, we are going to create a cute candy cane in less than 5 minutes. So what are you waiting for? Let's commence this artwork. So here I've sketched my candy cane. You see that it has a skinny line stick there. Yep, it's tall. And I drew the arch there right at the end until to that tippy point. And in fact, I've sketched the candy cane's edges with curvy shapes. Yeah, but you can go with straight edges or little curved edges. But I think that I've sketched the candy cane's edges with a U shape to make my candy cane artwork look pretty cute. So now what we're gonna use is we're actually gonna be using only one color. Yep. And we are gonna be using this red here. I'm using a Crayola Super Tip red marker, but you can use your Crayola Pipsqueak skinny markers with the closest shade of red, like peppermint red, for example. Yeah. Since my Super Tip markers collection, I do not have the peppermint red pigment there, or somewhat similar between to that, but at this time I'm gonna be just using it. Okay, so once you're shading this with your marker, we're actually gonna be going over with the stripes. We're just gonna actually be making a pattern. So we're not just gonna color that part because candy canes have white and red stripes there, just like you commonly see those real candy canes as how they look like. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna trace in the shape as you've sketched the curved edge like this. And we're just gonna keep going, so we'll shade it in a moment. So let's do the second one. Skip one stroke. Third part. And just take your time, okay? Yeah. Just feel free, don't rush about this artwork. But it'll still look pretty cute as how you've taken. All right, we are gonna fill in those edges as we've done tracing out the shape outlines. Okay, it seemed looking fantastic. So now what am I gonna do is we're going to outline. So I have a black marker here, this fine tip marker, and it's great for tracing outlines. So, but first of all, we're gonna do the outer edge to create an outline for this illustrated artwork. Okay, and let's not forget the stripes there to outline them so that it will determine how cute it looks. And I think we are done for this artwork. Hope you enjoyed coloring the candy cane artwork with me for this tutorial. Please like and subscribe, and I can't wait to see how cute your candy cane looks when I will have seen your results, and I will see you again next time.